Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to pair a Bluetooth remote with your Sony camera. This specific one is the Sony A7C Mark II, and let's get into it. So first things first, make sure your camera is turned on, then access the menu by pressing the menu button on your camera to access the settings menu. Now within the menu, look for a section related to wireless settings. It should be the green icon. It should say network. Click on that and you're gonna be able to see the first section here, which is the Connect PC remote, but you want to go to the Bluetooth section, which is below. So scroll down to 5 Bluetooth and make sure to turn on the Bluetooth function. After you turn on the Bluetooth function, go to Bluetooth remote control, which is below, as you can see here, and then click on to make sure that it's on, and then you will see the pairing menu. You gotta grab your remote, make sure the batteries are in, and then whatever remote you're using, it's gonna be specific to the remote. Make sure that the remote is on. I had another remote where I had to press 2 buttons, so make sure to read the manual specific to your remote because that's very important. Otherwise it's not gonna connect and you will see this pairing menu forever. So that shouldn't take too long. As you can see, you should see a little light on your remote to make sure that it's connecting. Here, as you can see, I forgot to turn on the remote on, so again, make sure your remote is on and then press the button or 2 buttons specific, depending on your remote, to pair. And as you can see, it didn't take long. Now you can see allow pairing with the device, connected device. This is the remote, and you can select OK, and it's connecting. And now it says paired, so that means that you successfully connected your remote to your camera, and that's it, you're done. Congratulations. I actually had an issue connecting this remote to the camera. It just wasn't working, and then I realized that the battery wasn't fully in. So again, make sure to troubleshoot. If you're not seeing any light on your remote after you turn it on, that means that the battery is dead or you didn't connect it properly. So first things first, make sure your remote is working. When you press the button, it should light up. If the remote is lighting up but you are not able to successfully connect it to your camera, it is a possibility that the remote is not compatible with your camera. Sometimes it is just an issue with the software. Sometimes you just need to update the software on your camera, but sometimes it could be an issue with compatibility and you need to get a different remote. So that happened to me. I couldn't connect another remote that I got for my previous camera and I had to get a new remote. So something to keep in mind, if you are buying a new remote, make sure that the camera model name is listed in the description. Otherwise it may not be compatible and it may not connect. So make sure to do your due diligence. It's very important. Otherwise, you're gonna be left with a remote that is just not compatible with your camera and you need to get a different remote. So that's it. Hopefully your pairing was successful and you are good to go. You can use your remote with your camera. You can just exit the menu, save the settings, and enjoy your new camera and your new remote. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was useful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.